Hi everyone, this video is on exercise 13e question 6. So we want to find the area of the finite region between the curve with equation y is equal to 2x squared minus 3x squared and the x-axis. So again, the first step could be drawing a sketch of the curve because in the next section you will see why we do this, but for now let's just do that. So we can factorize this expression. So we take a factor of x, and the reason I take a factor of x because I want to make a quadratic inside the bracket. So we get 2x minus 3x squared, and so let's find a root to this quadratic. So one of the roots, the root of outside for this term is 0, but inside, which is a quadratic, we have let's negate that 3x squared minus 2x is equal to 0. So to solve this quadratic, we can also factorize, and when we factorize, we have we take a factor of x, so we have 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. And now one of the other solutions is also 0, and the other one is 2 over 3. Okay, so this quadratic has a repeated root at 0. Sorry, this cubic, because it's a cubic function. So has a repeated root at 0, and then another root is 2 over 3. So in terms of its graph, it is, so we have a positive cubic. So let's say here is 2 over 3. Sorry, it's a negative cubic. So if it's negative, it's going to start from here, and then when it intersects the origin, it goes like this because it's a repeated root, and then passes through 2 over 3, and then it gets negative. And so essentially the area that we want to find is this region, because that's the area under the curve and the x-axis. So to find this area, we just need to integrate 2x squared minus 3x cubed between 0 and 2 over 3. And that gives us the area. Okay, so it's a definite integral. The first term, which is 2x squared, becomes 2 over 3x squared, and the second term becomes minus 3 over 4 x to the power of 4, and the limits are 2 over 3 and 0. So now it's about substitution. So we first substitute the upper limit, and minus the lower limit substituted. So we have 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. Oh yeah, actually here the power is 3. I forgot to write 3. Okay, 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 cubed, minus 3 over 4 times 2 over 3 to the power of 4, and minus just 0, because 0 substituted into this expression gives us 0. And so this gives us the value 4 over 81 for the area. So this is the area of the shaded region.